people of Nadrau, government officials from the various ministries, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. At the outset, let me thank the people of Nadrau for the traditional welcome ceremony. Greetings from the Honorable Prime Minister. He is away overseas and he has sent his greetings to the people of Nadrau. It gives me great pleasure to be with you today at this official commissioning of the Nadrau and Naga Village Grid Connection project. Ladies and gentlemen, the commissioning of this project, that is the grid connection project, marks another milestone in the wave of progress that is taking place under the Fiji First Government to empower Fijians. It has been some years for the power lines to reach your village. But let me say this, that the policies that were in place, we have removed, and that is in terms of community contribution. I'll give you one example. If there is 50 houses in a village, if 49 pays their contribution, one does not pay, that village will not be connected. And that's why there has been delay in regards to the connection of power to the villages and settlements all these years. Now this government has removed that. I was told that you people have paid your deposit, but that has been refunded. The house wiring conducted by Ministry of Energy. This project costed government $187,000, fully funded government project. So now, since we have removed this policy, we will reach out to more villages and settlements. And one such example is your village. As part of the agenda to empower Fijians, we must connect Fijians, whether it is through telecommunication, water supply, new and better roads, or whether it is through electricity. It must be done, and it is being done. Today's occasion is indeed a proud achievement of a milestone in the history of the Vanua of Nadrau, and surely it is an event that benefits our celebration. Now, you will have FEA's 24/7 electricity supply. Means that the 36 families in the two villages do not have to depend on diesel generators anymore for the generation of electricity. No more repairs and maintenance of the generators, and switching the generators in the evening and turning off in the nights are the things of past. More importantly, it means that the villages would be able to save on the purchasing of diesel. It also means a cleaner and a greener environment. And this project is very much in line with what the Honorable Prime Minister is trying to promote, not only here, but abroad as well. As you all aware that he will be taking the presidency of COP23 in November. That will be a very historical and a proud moment for the people of Fiji. A small nation taking the lead role in the world. And I hope that day all the Fijians will celebrate. There will be announcement the day when he's going to receive that presidency. And I would like to urge the people here to celebrate that day, because that will be a historical day for our nation. With the 24/7 power supply, the school children can now do schoolwork at home with brighter and better lights. The children are also now able to study for longer hours in the night. Mothers can prepare their school children foods early in the morning with better and brighter lights. Ladies and gentlemen, I know we will have a Telenua session. I do not wish to take much of your time, but once again I would like to thank the people of Nadrau for hosting us, and with these few words, it is now my great pleasure in declaring the electrification project of Nadrau and Naga village open. Vinaka and thank you.